I'm happy they are all still here, our women leaders, our youth leaders. What can I say when you are at home with your home? I don't have any other person. I only have you, and you only have me. Because we need to go back, memory lane, and remind ourselves. Because when there's campaign, there are many new friends that will come. We will see them, because that is part of campaign. But we must remember, those of us, how long have we been together? When I come here, I remember the time I was Senate President. That period, 2015 to 2019, not only was I Senate President, one of the most powerful senators in the 8th National Assembly, who decided what happened in the chambers. I used to call him my reader. There was no other person than Senator Philip Abuja. And where is Philip from? FCT. From FCT. This is how the journey started with FCT. To me, I am part of you. Before I go further on our own relationship, let me talk about Nigeria. Today, when Nigeria is 2023 election, we cannot play with it. We cannot just choose anybody. The country is in a very fragile position. If you don't put the right person there, God forbid what will happen to Nigeria. Today in Nigeria, unfortunately, we have one of the highest record of kidnapping in the world. We have the highest record of children who are not going to school. We have the highest record of terrorism. We have the highest record of unemployment. And we have the highest record of poverty. This is what is happening today. And today, we must find a president that knows how to rescue Nigeria. You must look at all of us and look at our capacity. Measure our capacity. Measure the capacity. One, who can unite Nigeria? Because to unite Nigeria, you must check our record. Is this somebody who has been in a position where he has brought people together? You all know, because your son and your leader has been in the National Assembly many years. You know the National Assembly is first among equal. It's not like being governor. I've been governor. Governor, you give instructions to your commissioner. You can tell your commissioner, don't come to office for 2 weeks. He cannot tell you. You cannot tell that to your colleague as a senator. So you must be able to bring collaboration, cooperation, and bring people together. That's what Nigeria needs today as leadership. You must be somebody who the north, the south, will say, with that man, I feel comfortable, he can lead us. Let us look at all the aspirants and say, who can unite Nigeria? Today, we have the youth, we have the older people. Which aspirant can bring the youth and the older people together? Yeah, I believe it is me that can unite the youth and the older people. Abuja. The most important thing here is the issue of investment. We have seen how Abuja has developed over the years. Today now, this country, there is no money at all coming from any place. No money. They're just borrowing and borrowing and borrowing. Nobody is bringing money into Abuja to invest. You need a president that will encourage people to bring money into Abuja. When they bring money to Abuja, Abuja will expand and you will be better. There will be more jobs. Which president, which of these aspirants can do that? You need an aspirant that is courageous and bold and take decisions. Those of you have seen for 4 years when I was Senate President, I stood for Nigerians. Despite all the harassment, I stood. I did not shake. Today, these are the kind of president that you want. You need a president that will respect everybody. Everybody will be respected. I have shown that as governor, as chairman of governors forum. You need a president that has respect internationally. Because today, you need support internationally, especially when we are fighting security. The insecurity in Nigeria today, you need a president that will take it on and say, no, we must stop this banditry and kidnapping. Abuja is the only modern city I know that you do not have full 24-hour coverage of security. If you make me president, when you make me president, I will ensure with technology, anywhere where in Abuja, it is covered and we can see what is going on. There is no city in the world today. A lot of you travel, when you see it on television, that technology has not provided. When in your room, you can see any movement. That is what has made other cities safe. My government will ensure that Abuja is like that. I did not start fighting for Abuja today. You all know when I was Senate president, nobody wanted more for the mayor or for FCT to be in the constitution. And I passed it in the Senate. If you all remember, I passed it in the Senate. I fought for it and passed it in the Senate. Unfortunately, those in the House will not do it. I'm taking you back to many years ago. So when I say, Nina Kunida, I'm yours, I started a long time ago. It's not now because I'm looking for votes. So if you have me as president, it means you are president. You are the landlord, but you have not even done one night in Asuro. Inshallah, we all do one night in Asuro. When I'm president, when people want to come and develop in Abuja, they will respect you. You will get real compensation. Not the type of compensation they are paying now, and I'll fight for it for you. For those of you who are potential developers, who says that Abuja should not be developers, we will provide support in the housing to enable some of you to also to be developers too. So it's not just of selling of land, you too will be owners of homes. It is my plan for 500,000 housing units every year. While I'm president, so that more people will have homes. I understand business. I know how government works because I've been a governor 8 years. I know how the legislature operates. There is nobody with my own records. There is an African proverb, they say, when you have with all humility a beautiful daughter, do you carry the beads of your beautiful daughter and give the daughter of somebody else? You do not. I'm your own. We have come together to say it is a time for North Central. This is not just my own. All of us will be making history. It has never happened before. Let history be fair. In our time, in chairman's time, in former chairman, national delegates time, in member House of Representatives time, in woman leaders time, in our leaders time, we made somebody from North Central president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Our children will continue to thank us. Our children will continue to thank us for many generations that will make a difference. This ticket is not only my ticket, it is our ticket. All of us, inshallah, will benefit from it. And that is why the whole 41 delegates here, not one, should go anywhere because this is your home. Nobody leaves his own to go and take somebody else's own. We will tell them, in the past, North Central has worked for other people. It's time for them now to work for us. After they work for us this time, then we can talk about working for them again. My leaders, my stakeholders, my women leaders, this is for us. It is not for just me, it's for all of us. Tomorrow will be better because you now have a man who is yours, but not only is he yours, he is capable, he can match any other person. I challenge all the aspirants that can say they have their record that is better than mine. So why will you leave me Please, I seek your support. Let us go together and vote for it. Thank you so much.
Father, you are our God. Your Excellency, FCT is yours. We remember what took place in Port Harcourt. The delegates of Federal Capital Territory benefited only for what you gave us, because we were already tapped. These people are for Saraki. And we have our reasons. The reason why we will continue with you, Kwara, Niger State, and Plateau, was FCT was carved from them. So if FCT was part of Kwara, you are FCT. And in Plateau, we have no one that is contesting. In Niger State, nobody is contesting. You are the only one in FCT. So we have no reasons or whatsoever not to align ourselves with you. By the grace of God, we will continue to discuss among ourselves, enlighten ourselves, and ensure that our delegates did not go to anywhere. Your Excellency, we want to once again appreciate you. Even when you donated cash for our election, the candidate there called me and said, His Excellency have called me and they also offer another gift before the election. So that means you were passionate for us to win area council election. So whosoever that have supported us to win area council election is such a person that wants the progress of FCT. And you did not hesitate to say, Haruna, where are you? Because we were posted to Kwali, and you did the needful. Despite APC did what they're supposed to do and snatched Kwali away from us. After the election, you called and asked whether there is issue of litigation or whatever. I said, Kwali people have decided not to pursue the case. So it can only be someone like you that you follow up to know how far is the party position. And after the election, you remain with us in FCT. Even after 2019 election, you remain with the party. The party at the national level made you the Consultation Committee chairman. And that's what kept this party till today. You did your best in resolving so many issues in this party across the country. Nobody pay you kobo. You spend your money in keeping this party. As such, the party will not put you to shame. And everything, as I said, we will continue to discuss, and by the special grace of God, you will see the light in FCT, as usual. As you've received the Port Harcourt, you still receive same again. Thank you, Your Excellency. We appreciate you for your comment, and we'll continue. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.